This is going to be a video product review of the elinkSmart bulb. It works with Alexa, Google Assistant. It has 16 million colors. You can set your timer. You can use voice control. You can use remote control from your cell phone. It uses a Wi-Fi connection, a 2.4 gig Wi-Fi router. You cannot use this on a 5 gig, only on a 2.4. You can set it up for group control, device sharing. The bulb, I believe, is 7 or 8 watts. It's equivalent to a 60-watt light bulb, an incandescent bulb. On the box, it says the color temperature is 2700K to 6500K. The older style incandescent lamps, the bulb used about a 3000K. 5000K is considered sunlight. So this goes brighter than sunlight and a little bit lower in the color temperature than the old style incandescent bulb. In the video description, I will leave an Amazon affiliate link. You can click on that link. It will help me out. It will take you directly to Amazon so you can order this. So I'm going to show you how to set this thing up so that you can make this light bulb work. The first thing you are going to need to do is install the Smart Life app on your cell phone. That's the app that will control everything with this light. And what I did is I set up my Alexa first, and then I installed the Smart Life app. You connect the two of them together in the skills section of the Alexa app and enable the Smart Life app. And then you can either use the Alexa on the cell phone, you can use the Alexa Dot to control everything, you can use the Smart Life app to control everything. So I'm going to show you how we set this up now. Sometimes these are a little tricky to do. You have to turn the light on and off repeatedly for about 10 seconds on, 10 seconds off, until we get the light bulb to start flashing, which is called the pairing mode. There we go, we've got the rapid flash. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into my Smart Life app and I'm going to click on plus, and I'm going to click on lighting over here, and then I'm going to click on light bulb. And now it's going to ask me to confirm that the light is blinking fast. Sometimes this doesn't last that long. Password, put in your Wi-Fi router password. Okay, the light just went off and it says Smart Bulb 2 added successfully. The lamp is in the background. I'm going to turn it off. And I'm going to turn it on so you can see what it looks like. So I'm going to click on this. It should turn the light off. I don't know if you can see that in the background. I'm going to click it again. Light is off. Light is on. Light is off. Light is on. So the nice thing about this is no matter where you are in the world, you can get on your cell phone and control the lighting or the appliance in your house. Now let's look at some of the other features we have here. We have a brightness control. You can see it's doing on the cell phone what the setting is for. We've got a temperature control, and now I'm going to show you what that looks like on the lamp. Let me turn off the video lights. So temperature, we are down about 2700K. Woo, that's very bright. That's the 6500K. So it just depends on what kind of lighting. If you want a very mild, calming light, or if you want a very bright light. We're at 100% brightness. I'm going to go all the way down to 0, and then we're going to go back to 100. I'm going to go down to 0 again. So we have some nice features on the bottom. Let's click on this. This is, I'm looking at the light bulb right now. It's absolutely incredible. It shows red over there. And let me show you what the bulb looks like. We have a little dot over here. We can move around the circle to change to the 16 million different colors. So that's a red bulb right now. It's really hard to see with the video lighting. I'm going to go over to yellow, green, and again with the video and the camera it's going to look a little different. That's the bluish. That's a deep blue. It's kind of like a purple and a red. And you also have the same thing. You've got your brightness controls over here and you've got your temperature controls. So I just took that and lowered the temperature down. That's kind of like a bluish white. And then when I go up to full brightness, we bring it into the red. And we have another button over here. We have presets. You can see the lighting in the background. I'm going to show you that right now. So we have the presets. And then the final feature is we have an area over here. This is called scheduling. You can control the scheduling for the timing or how long you want to leave the light bulb on. Again, we have that same screen as before. Up over at the top, we can click on features over here and see how it says Smart Bulb 2. We can go in here and rename that if we want to. I want to go in there and get rid of that and just call it Smart. I'm going to save it. Operation successful. I'm going to go back and now we can see the bulb is called Smart. Very easy to set up. On, off. Control your brightness and your color settings and your color palette. I will leave the affiliate link in the video description. Click on it and you can order this lamp today. We'll click on the center piece over here and the light turns off.